back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yeislin. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. As you guys can tell by the name of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how to cover your postpartum hair loss. So a little bit about postpartum hair loss. Yes, it does happen, and it typically happens between 3 to 4 months postpartum. And for me, it started 4 months postpartum, and it was a very emotional and kind of devastating time for me because I was not used to seeing so much of my hair fall out. When I was pregnant, I did not shed any hair. My hair was so full and so beautiful, and 4 months afterwards it all started coming out. So now I am 8 months postpartum, and my hair is actually starting to grow back, and I am finally relieved because I was worried that it was not, but I can tell because my baby hair is starting to grow in, and I am happy about that. So if you guys want to see my tips and tricks on how you can cover your postpartum hair loss, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so for the first hairstyle, it's just the one that I have on right now, and pretty much all I do is just part my hair down the middle and just cover my bald spots. So my hair does not look like this when I wake up. It's usually very stringy and a mess. It's kind of a mess right now, but it's even worse when I wake up. So how I revive my curls is just use water and hair products. If you guys want to see how I do that, I'll post a card right here so you guys can click onto my video so you can see how I revive my curls. Okay, so moving on to the second hairstyle. So for the second hairstyle, it's going to be the same thing, just parting down the middle. But instead of having your hair down, you're going to go ahead and put it in a low ponytail, or you can put it in a low bun. So the reason I say low is because you want to make sure that you're not pulling or tugging your hair. And when you wear your hair up in a bun, like I usually used to do all the time before I had my baby, it recedes your hairline, and it also causes your hair to break off, just like mine is. So what I've been doing instead is parting my hair down the middle and just putting it in a low ponytail or a bun, and I really been not liking it so far. So like I said, just put it down, part it down the middle, and then you are going to grab your hair, and you can do it just like this and put it in a low ponytail. And you want to make sure that it's not that tight because, like I said, you don't want to pull or tug on your hair. And you can just wear it just like this. Or what I like to do is put it in a low bun. So just grab my hair and just twist it around very lightly, and just with my bow wrap it around my hair. And I do it twice, that way it's not too loose. It's a little bit tight, but not tight to where you can feel it pulling or tugging on your hair. And I like to cover my ears because I tend to have big ears, and I don't like how my ears look, so I cover them with my hair. And that is the third look. And I think it's so cute when you have your makeup done and you have your hoops or you have your studs. It just looks so cute. And now for the third hairstyle. Alright, so for the third hairstyle, it's still going to be parted down the middle like I have it right now, but you're going to do like a half up, half down. So you can use a scrunchie like the one I have, and what you're going to want to do is kind of create like a ponytail, but kind of like a bun at the same time. I don't know if I can explain it right, but I'll show you guys right here. So you're just going to wrap your hair, and with the ponytail you're going to wrap it around your hair. But instead of pulling it all the way through, you're going to create like a little semi-bun and then loop it again. Kind of like a little semi-bun. Just if you want to keep your, like, some of your hair out of the way, but then you still want to have some hair down, you can rock that hairstyle. And what I like to do is kind of loosen it up on the sides, so my hair is like falling down on the sides, so you won't be able to see my bald spots or my receding hairline. For the fourth look, it's more of a trick, not a hairstyle. So what you can do to try to hide it, let's say like you need to, for some reason you do need to put your hair up all the way back, and you don't want your receding hairline or your bald spots to show, what you can do is fill it in with either eyeshadow, or I've heard even mascara. I never tried mascara, but I've tried eyeshadow. So I'm going to show you guys how I do with eyeshadow. And I'm going to go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail, just so I can show you guys where my hairline starts to recede, and then also where you can see my bald spots. So I can go ahead and just show you guys how I fill it in. I'm going to be using this dome shape brush from Morphe, and it's the M578, just in case if you guys really want to know. And I'm going to go ahead and use the eyeshadow from my Urban Decay palette, Born This Way, and I'm going to be using the shade Jet. And I'm just going to start filling in where my hairline is receding. And yes, this is a little bit of a process, but if you guys are really self-conscious of your bald spots like I am, I think it's worth doing, especially if you're going to wear your hair back. Alright guys, so as you guys can tell, my hair is starting to look a lot darker than what it did at first. So if I show you here, look how much my hairline is receding here, and how that big of a bald spot that I have compared to this side. Alright guys, so this is the other side. I have a lot more hair loss here than I do compared to my other side. Alright guys, and that's how I pretty much draw it in or color it in, whatever you guys want to call it, so it doesn't look as bald as it did before I drew it in. Hairstyle, it's going to be like another low ponytail, but very simple and cute. So this one's going to be like really loose. So I'm just going to put my hair in a low ponytail. So this one's really cute. Just loosen the ponytail so it looks like you have a little bit more volume on your roots. And just have your bangs out on the sides so it looks like really cute and elegant. Or what you can do if you don't want to wear it in a ponytail is you can also wear it in a bun, which I personally prefer. Alright, and just loosen the sides so it'll be nice and loose. With your bangs out, and that's it. Alright guys, and that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button right down below, or right here. My little face icon will pop up right here. And that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye loves. Mwah.